Welcome back. You're tuned into Bazaar Morning Call. Well, let's get in Dipan Mehta from Elixir Equities who joins us on the show. Hi, Dipan. Good morning. Good to see you. Well, what about the EV scooter? Are you excited about it? Yesterday, that was a top mover. Solid volume. Stock ended circuit 20% up. Ola Electric, does it come on your radar or you choose to skip it?
Yeah, good morning, Nigel. Thank you for having me on your show. The question which came to my mind is, are they going to make profit at that price point? See, as it is, making money out of EVs is a very, very tough challenge, not just in two-wheelers, but also in four-wheelers. They need the cost of inputs to come down significantly and to get massive scale to get the profitability going. And in that, they are moving down the line, reducing the price point. I don't know how Ola will make profit on such products. And I would avoid Ola Electric completely. I think competition is there in the industry. It's not one of its kind. And there is no real clear roadmap to when it will turn solid into profitability, whether sales need to grow 2-3 times before it can cover all its fixed costs. So I would avoid Ola Electric, certainly sentimentally positive, and may go towards increasing their monthly volume sales market share as well. But as fundamental investors, we need to focus on profitability, and that I don't see happening in Ola Electric for a long time.
Okay. So, not yet biting when it comes to Ola. Dipan, hi, morning. What about Swiggy? It's been making interesting moves, right? I mean, since listing, suddenly there's some momentum that's picking up. Either Swiggy or Zomato, do you like either?
Yeah, so good morning. So first, a disclosure, we are invested in Zomato. And I think investors who had FOMO over Zomato may be buying into Swiggy. And certainly there's an arbitrage opportunity. As of now, also it is at a 35-40% discount to Zomato. So some amount of catch-up is necessary to take place. And growth rates, growth rates at both companies are more or less similar. Prospects are similar. And the future forecast for the sector is very rosy. So from that point of view, you may see further sentimental improvement and buying in Swiggy. But as investors in Zomato, I wouldn't do the switch at all. And from a fresh investment perspective, also on both stocks, I would just wait and watch purely because we are slightly cautious on the market. And high PE stocks, I think, may be targeted if the market drifts further lower.
Point taken. Dipan, talking about all these new age companies and also maybe we were talking about Ola. You saw that, I don't know if you saw that tweet with Mayososhi saw on a SoftBank with his investee companies. There was Bhavish Agarwal, there was also Vijay Shekhar Sharma, and of course a lot of the other Delhi founders as well. Paytm is what I want to talk about, Dipan. Any thoughts? I mean, that's been a huge outperformer from the lows. I mean, if you look at it like that, from 350, it should come out to about 950 very quickly. Is it pricing in all the repair recovery, or there is more? Yeah.
I think the view which I have for Zomato and Swiggy holds for Paytm also. I think the rally has certainly taken out a lot of the gains which were expected post all the challenges the company has faced. And I think in terms of valuation, it is still quite expensive. So I would just wait and watch in Paytm, but existing investors can remain invested.
Okay, all right. So new age companies get the thumbs up from Dipan. Dipan, stay on. Another interesting space, obviously, is the renewable